Murdi Paaki model, governance model, has come from a long history. It's sort of got its groundings in the ATSIC days. So immediately when the amalgamations of the Wonkamara Regional Council and the Far West Council became the Murdi Paaki Regional Council under ATSIC, our first major goal was to establish a regional authority. We wanted to move away from the regional council model because that model didn't, what we felt, didn't actually satisfy our requirements in sort of the remotest part of New South Wales, you know. We didn't do much on it for some time, but it was still there as something to work towards. And then in Senator Heron's times as the minister, him and Chairperson Jakura launched a paper on greater regional autonomy and authority for communities, regions, families and individuals. And we were one of 6 regions that put their hand up to investigate what that actually meant. So we had a 3-stage approach in developing what the goals and objectives were of greater regional autonomy and authority, what a model might look like, and then build a model that was representative of the region itself. So we came to a model which captured, we wanted to be more inclusive. Smaller communities weren't getting a seat at the table under the regional council model. For an example, we had 16 major communities in the region, only had 10 councillors. So the smaller communities felt that they were being disadvantaged by not having a seat at the table. So the model that we developed captured that. It captured, regardless of what size of the community, they had a seat at the table. So we, prior to the announcement to abolish ATSIC, the Regional Council started the transitional process of setting up the Regional Assembly to start the transition process to a regional authority, from a regional council to a regional authority. And in the middle of that, the ATSIC legislation was abolished. So the idea was to have a statutory body similar to what the Torres Strait Regional Authority is, that we receive direct appropriations from Treasury. We decide where the priority spending should be, and not the Commission, as so to speak, as it was in that time. And so we finally, you know, we're getting to that stage, and then the government makes the decision to abolish ATSIC. The good thing, I think, about the model, we had this community governance arrangements in each of the communities that existed already, so they formed a natural membership to a regional model, and that enabled us to create the regional arrangements quite easily and quite readily, because we'd already been practicing the community stuff for some time.